Supercharge your skin with Precious Gold Vitality Serum, featuring 24-karat Gold Retinol Complex. Energize and vitalize while combating stress-related fatigue. After cleansing, start with Key Radiance Care, CLÉ de PEAU Beauté's daily skincare regimen, consisting of the serum, lotion and emulsion. Use Precious Gold Vitality Serum after lotion and before emulsion. Take 2 pumps and apply to the 5 key points. Smooth in gently with upward and outward motions, 2 to 3 times on each part of the face. "24-karat Gold Retinol Complex helps to invigorate the skin, enlivening and energizing it after the very first use. To amplify the benefits, combine with the Precious Gold Vitality Mask. Use the mask once or twice a week after cleansing, followed by Key Radiance Care and Precious Gold Vitality Serum. Apply a cherry-sized amount with the brush to the cheek, forehead and chin. Spread out to form a thin layer. Then apply a cherry-sized amount to the other cheek and repeat the process. After 5 minutes, remove with warm water. For supercharged skin with supercharged synergy, unlock the power of your radiance. CLÉ de PEAU BEAUTÉ.